How to use the Signia One app. The Signia One app lets you easily adjust the settings of your Signia Max hearing aids. Before using the Signia One app, it first needs to be paired with your hearing aids. Please watch the Signia Max pairing video for full pairing instructions. The app is divided into three main sections, which you can access from the bottom of the screen. After the pairing process is complete, you will start on the home screen. From here, you have access to a variety of features. To increase volume, move the slider to the right. To decrease volume, move the slider to the left. You can adjust the volume independently for each hearing aid by tapping the LR button. If you have multiple listening programs, you can access them by tapping the Programs button. At the top of the screen, you can tap to check the battery status and Bluetooth connection status. When you are in streaming mode or using a TV sound streaming device, you can adjust the volume of the streamed signal. In the second section, you will find the Signia Assistant. The Signia Assistant offers a wide range of support. You can use the AI-powered chat to ask questions about your hearing aids, accessories, the app, and get instant personalized information or troubleshooting support. It can also provide guided sound adjustments tailored to the needs and preferences you report. In the final section, you can adjust app and system settings. Here you can customize alert tones and sound notifications. Additional options include accessing telecare if enabled, resetting adjustments made by the Signia Assistant, or accessing further information.